So hello guys, welcome to our 438 MIE Embedded System Project. So our team and I made a 8x8x8 custom LED cube that's designed to be a game console. So our idea was to reinvent the classic retro games into the 3D format. It's just cool. We did 2 demos for the game, one a snake game and a Pong game. Later on, I'm gonna give you guys a little demo. We done some additional animations as well to just take advantage of this cube. Everything is soldered by the team. The communication is controlled by a Arduino Mega using SPI communication protocol. It's just a lot faster than serial data lines. It's controlled via MOSFETs, shift registers, very messy circuits down there. The controller was designed to be 2 joysticks. 2 joysticks have in total 4 axes. It's just more intuitive for the users to control the game. At the beginning we thought to use a PS2 controller, but because it's a wireless communication protocol similar to SPI, we couldn't figure out how to do the interrupt to get a timely input from the user. So we decided to go for those old school joysticks, and they works great. And without further ado, let's jump into the demo. Okay, so the next demo here is gonna be the snake game. The game starts with a countdown, which goes faster and faster, and then it'll be the default mode where the snake only have one head. You controls the snake with one joystick. Basically, one controls the planar motion, another one controls up and down, and you just go for it. So as you can see, it's unlike the conventional snake game where you die when you hit the wall. This one you just come out of the other side, just to make the game easier. And the only way to die is to hit itself at the tail. So you kind of have to have a decent enough score to die, but at the same time, it really made the game a lot funner. So the game gets a lot trickier when the tail is getting too long. As I mentioned, it will only die when it hit itself, but also it will come out of the other wall, so it will be scenarios like this. When it's too long, the tail will just hit at the end of the wall. Basically, if you're larger than 8, then you'll probably die without even not knowing that. Which make the game a little challenging. And I think I'm right now. Oh, I just died. Yeah, as I mentioned, it goes up and it will come out from the other side, and boom, here you go, a 3D snake game. Finally, we have a 3D Pong game. As you can see, there are 2 pedals for each player, and the ball is just roaming around inside this cube. I didn't make how the game will die yet, just so it's quite challenging. I don't know how to control the UI, but basically right now 2 players, they can control the paddle using the joystick like that. It's really intuitive. When the ball hit the paddle, it will just it will follow up the physics. Whenever how you come back, it just bounces backwards. And as you can see, when it bounces back on the wall, it will also bounce at the same direction. So yeah, it's really opening up a lot of possibilities. It's open source on my GitHub page, so check that out if you are interested in developing more classic 3D console games on this LED cube.